In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Slack channels. A clear channel naming system makes Slack much easier to navigate, especially as your workspace grows. When channels are named consistently, people can quickly tell what each space is for, which team owns it, and where to post the right messages. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to rename channels so they follow a cleaner structure. To get started, open Slack and choose a channel you want to organize. This should be one of the channels you'd like to rename so it fits your overall naming format. It helps to start with just one channel first, so you can confirm the format looks right before updating the rest. Once you're inside that channel, click on the channel name at the top. This opens the channel details and gives you access to the settings related to that specific channel. If you don't usually work in these settings, take your time here. The main thing you're looking for is the option to edit the channel name. When you rename the channel, type the department first, then add a unique name after it. This is the key part of the structure. Putting the department first creates a consistent pattern across your workspace, and adding a specific name afterward helps identify the channel's exact purpose. For example, the first part tells people which team the channel belongs to, while the second part tells them what the channel is actually used for. Keep the name simple, readable, and easy for others to recognize at a glance. After you've entered the updated name, click Save Changes. That will apply the new structure to the channel. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check that the name looks correct and matches the format you want to use everywhere else. Consistency matters more than complexity, so a simple naming convention is usually the most effective. Once that first channel is done, repeat the same process with all of your other channels. Open each one, click the channel name, update it by placing the department first and the unique name after it, and then save your changes. As you work through the list, try to use the same style across the board so your workspace feels organized and predictable. By the time you finish, your Slack sidebar should be much cleaner and easier to scan. That makes collaboration smoother for everyone and reduces confusion about where conversations belong, and that's how to structure your Slack channels.